This is a handcuff. It spins around freely. Handcuffs have a double lock, so as soon as it's on somebody, so they can't hurt themselves or make it tighter, you push in the small button on them, and that activates the double lock. It will no longer close. It stays exactly where it is. No longer will it close. Now, how much pressure will that take to defeat that? I'm going to see if I can defeat it with a press. Yes, it is easily defeated. A person wouldn't be able to apply that kind of pressure without some kind of tool. Yep, there it goes. And actually, by applying that pressure, it shut off the double lock. Oh, look, it's back in again. You know what it's doing? It's on. I put it upside down, tap it, it's off. Now I turn it around, tap it, and it's on. It wrecks something inside of there. So this button, tap it, it comes out. Other way, it re-engages. Something in there broke, so this is now free moving the double lock. But let me give it a tap. It's on now. I'm going to try pressing it one more time with it on. Okay, yeah, that definitely did damage something. Try it one final time, knowing it's on. Probably shouldn't have done that. Probably should have had it in the right position first. Okay, here I go. I'm gonna press it and put it into the press this way so it can't disengage. Yeah, you could feel that was a lot of pressure there. Now I'm gonna take a look at it to see if I can see any noticeable damage to the teeth. There's no noticeable damage to the teeth. It just broke something mechanical.